At Centara Mirage Beach Resort Muina, a 5-star coastal resort with a Mediterranean-inspired design, Viet Tiles encaustic cement tiles were chosen for the floors and stairs, contributing to creating an artistic space that is both luxurious and intimate. Viet Tiles, the leading handmade encaustic cement tile brand in Vietnam, is famous for its sophisticated patterns and diverse colors. In this project, the tile models are uniquely designed, harmoniously coordinated with the resort architecture, bringing a beauty that is both modern and classic. Encaustic cement tiles are laid in the corridors, lobby, stairs and some common living spaces, creating a unique aesthetic highlight, while ensuring durability and anti-slip, an important factor in public areas. The use of Viet Tiles encaustic cement tiles not only honors the traditional handmade beauty but also demonstrates the careful investment in the design of Centara Mirage. This is a testament to the trend of combining indigenous art and international class resort style,